I will call you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at null pointers, okay? So null pointers is simply 0. So whenever you hear null, it means that it is 0, okay? It does not exist. And this isn't a case whereby you don't have any altruist to assign to your variable. And it's go ahead and take 0. But in a case, the most important is that computers reserve 0 memory because they don't allow you to use that. But let's go ahead and look at, in a case, let's say exterior's name is equal to null. This is in a case whereby you don't have any address assigned to your variable, and then if you go ahead and print this out, like say CL, and go ahead and print out name and end line. So if we run this, it's going to give you 0. So consider the result is 0. So what you do if you don't have any address to assign and you don't know if you're going to assign 0 to this, because sometimes the computer will not allow you to use that because 0 memory location is the reserved memory by the computer. So you're not allowed to use that. So it's always better to use an if statement to check if that is null. Go ahead and use that. Else, if name is not null, then go ahead and use the other one. So if you check if it's a null, if it's a null, if you do what you asked it to do. If it's not a null, you go ahead and do that. But in most cases, you might not be able to use this in your program. And the reason why I'm teaching that is to make sure that you know everything about C++ and its pointers, because as a developer, you have to know about null pointers so that you can be able to answer questions when it comes up, okay? Now, if you have any question on this video lecture, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'll be glad to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.